Hi, fourth grade, and welcome back to your Google Classroom with Mr. G here at the Syracuse Academy of Citizenship. This week, which was supposed to be our spring break, we're just going to be taking some time to make sure that as we get more and more people into our Google Classroom, that we're having enough time for everybody to get caught up without us adding more new work so that everyone can get a chance to just get caught up so that next week, when we get started, we're all starting kind of on the same page. So once you're in here in our Google Classroom, you're going to want to scroll down to math. And we're up to, at this point, Zern lesson 14. I'm asking that if you're caught up to that point, they don't go any further without the exit tickets and everything else being posted. But if you're brand new to here, I would like you guys to come down here and you'll see that it starts at 4. You're going to want to click View More. And it should reopen all of this all the way down to Zern lesson 1. And if you're just starting there, you'll see that I have a video, which is where you want to start. And this is going to introduce you to the topic. This is going to introduce you to what you need to get done, followed by a link to Zern, where you can log in, which your teachers have you already set up to get ready and get started with it. And then your exit ticket, which you complete when you're done with your Zern lesson. So every day when you complete these, you're going to follow up. Now here in lesson 2, for instance, my video is longer because I'm going over one of the more difficult questions, or a couple of the more difficult questions from the previous day's exit ticket. I also share a screenshot here of the completed work and then that day's lesson. So for this day, it would be lesson 2, that exit ticket that you complete after Zern. Now, as we're going over converting measurements inside word problems and a number of other kinds of problems, you guys need to, of course, know how to convert. So you'll see here at the very top, I have our conversion charts. If I open this up, just let it load for a second. I have all of the conversions you will need up to lesson 14 already in here. And if you have the outline open, you can sort here on the side by what you're looking for. So if I know I'm working with a question with pounds and ounces, I can click this and it'll bring me right to the pounds and ounces. If you don't have the outline open, of course, you can just scroll to find what you're looking for. I hope this helps, and I'll be talking to you guys tomorrow.